To make a pinwheel bow, you need a 15-inch long, 3.5-inch wide strip of cloth, and then you have to fold it, and in the third step you have to sew this, leaving a space in the middle of the strip like this. And now sew it with the help of your sewing machine or your thread and needle, leaving the gap in the middle of the strip so you can flip this strip inside out from that gap or opening. And now you have to flip this strip inside out from this opening. You can use a pencil or any long thing like this. I'm using here my daughter's paintbrush. Then first you will flip one side, and then you can do the same thing with the other side of the strip and flip it inside out. Once you are done with flipping, you have to iron this so you get a proper neat strip, and then you can tie a knot. I couldn't shoot the ironing part, but you have to iron it for a proper neat looking bow. And then now you have to tie a knot. For this you have to hold this strip like I'm showing in the video, and then now you have to tie a knot from the loop that is on the back of your fingers like this. Once you have made this bow, you need to mess up with it to make it look better. You have to play around with it. After that you can glue the alligator clip on the back and you are good to go with your pinwheel bow. Like the video, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel.